Hello, my name is Dr. Dasuklang Disiar. Actually, I'm a practicing neurosurgeon and spine surgeon. Uh, I'm doing my fellowship currently under Asian Pain Academy, Kolkata. So at present, I'm within this 4 days of workshop, which is held at Calcutta Asian Pain Academy, Calcutta. Basically, it is held in two clinics. One is the Rajarhat clinic and Samobathi clinic. So the experience was very nice. We had 2 days of lectures plus hands-on mannequins uh, experience, followed by another 2 days of live cases observership, uh, and again few lectures and USG guided procedures as long as CM guided procedures. The class was very thorough. The lectures were very detailed, and the workshop was pretty uh, fruitful for all of us candidates who are in those who are in the fellowship and those who just give the workshop per se. I really like to thank the whole team, the Asian Pain Academic team, including Data Sir, Roy Sir, and the technicians and the support staff for all the wonderful job they have done. Uh, Myself as a candidate, I'm more focused into cranial and spinal intervention, which I feel after this academy fellowship and a workshop, I would certainly more focus and more trained, more confident once I finish this fellowship. Thank you